Why? So you guys can run off and be superheroes together?
I'm not that guy anymore, Peter. You know that.
I know. I know you're not.
Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup.
The only thing that's real is us.
One more spoon of cough syrup now.
I'm telling you, he saved my life.
Whoa.